Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with John. Today we're gonna whip up what I call an Ultra Supreme. Here we go. Alright everybody, what you're gonna need is some tortillas, some butter, I got some American cheese, some Havarti cheese, half a shot of whiskey, I got my leftover jambalaya, and some beef patties. And let's start with this. Okay, over medium heat, let's warm up a pan while we defrost our frozen patty. Defrost 300. Oh, fuck. I made this the other day. I was like, I got a burger and I got tortilla. Let's give it a shot. Burger's defrosted, so let's take some butter, melt that shit, spread your butter, cook this shit. Oh, while you wait, let's take one of these, and we got our tortilla. Let's throw some cheese in that bitch. You could use whatever rice. I'm using my leftover jambalaya. 2 scoops. Let's get this other side cooking. Looks like we have to wait. Oh no. The burger's done, so I put it on top of the rice. Cheese on top of the burger. Fold. Fold's gonna be a little hard, but you'll see how it works out. Alright, so I got my thing folded. We're gonna take some butter, throw it on our still hot pan, fold it side down, throw it on, let it cook. Just like a quesadilla. I'm out. Gotta eat and drink sparingly. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, come on, fucker. Flip it over. Nice brown color. A little dark for some. I don't mind it though. We click the other side. And while that's cooking, bad life decisions happen. No. Good life decisions happen. Check this out. Here it is. Look, the mobility. Just like a Crunchwrap Supreme is good to go. Good to go. Crunchwrap Ultra. Guess I could call it a quarter pounder with rice. No, fuck that. Fuck that. Crunchwrap Ultra. Crunchwrap Ultra. Fuck that Crunchwrap Ultra. So good. So good. Imagine a quesadilla and a burrito and a burger. How is that? If you're wondering why I'm breathing so hard, it's because I'm having a heart attack. I can't feel my arm. Taser face. Taser face. What's his name?
Taser face.
Taser face.